Mystery sound, mystery sound. What, oh, what is that mystery sound? Mystery sound, mystery sound. Are you ready to hear?
All right, everyone, it's time for another mystery sound. Do you know what instrument makes this sound? Give you a hint, it's from the last state that was part of the United States. Are you ready to see what it is? Here we go. This is called an uli. U-L-I. And it is an instrument that people use, sorry, things are falling. People use as a maraca and as decoration for when they're dancing. So, if you go to a Hawaiian luau, you might see people using this. They are red and yellow. We have what's called a gourd. Don't know if you can hear that. They have drilled holes in the gourd, and they have put some small rocks inside. You hold on to it like this, you shake it, and dance. That is called the uli. Thanks for watching.